Hi, hello, and namaste. How are you all? Hope everyone is doing fine. You are watching Trendset Power of a Conman, and this is Sai. Yeah, today I want to demonstrate an important topic that helps you a lot. Before starting the video, I want to ask a simple question. How many of you are spending 700 rupees to 1000 rupees in the AC servicing? Yeah, as the summer is approaching, I think almost we got the summer now because we can't bear the heat in the afternoon. So yes, most of you are spending 700 to 1000 rupees in servicing the AC. Is it worth? No. You can do the AC servicing by yourself. Yes, it's true. Today I want to demonstrate how you can do the AC servicing by yourself. This is only servicing I am saying, not the repair. So normally we will use the AC normal on an average in India, like the cities called Hyderabad. I stay in Hyderabad. Most of them are using ACs in summer only. So they use in the summer, they call a customer care person, and what he will do exactly, you don't know. He will remove one cover. I will show clearly what he will do. And he always say that you don't do this, you don't do this. Why? I will explain later. No, I will explain now only why he will do like that. If you learn that process, you only do that. So obviously you will not call that person again. So this is the situation happen. So I came, actually I saw recently some of my relative asked this question only. Are he did nothing. He came and he left within 5 minutes, and he took 700 rupees. It's not worth at all. You can do by it yourself with free of cost. So without wasting time, let's go and start the process, and you can do it by yourself. Let's go. Yeah, friends, this is our AC, and I am showing demonstration on this AC only now. So let's start the process. Firstly, we need to remove a cover. I will show clearly. Please stay tuned. So friends, now I am you any AC, you can keep one hand here. You keep one hand here and just remove like this. No, don't worry, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. You live like this. So you see the condition of AC I will show. As it's a long time, so I think you can see this. You see how much dust is there inside. You see. Now just what they will do is they will remove these filters. This is called filters in AC. This helps to stop the dust coming from outside, and it will take the dust from inside, so it's gathered there. So we always need to clean within 15 days. Every 15 days we need to clean when the AC is running continuously. So most probably if you are staying in dusty areas, it's better clean for every 1 week. So it will be helpful to you. So just this is very simple. Just we will pull this and we will remove this. I will show clearly now. So what the customer person will do, I will say, he will remove this one, he will remove this one, and there is inside a condenser. I think that is called condenser. He take a brush and take a water, a mug of water, and he will just, I will show clearly. Don't worry. Stay tuned. I will come back. So friends, it's a very simple process. Just you keep a finger on this. Normally any AC, he will give like this a strap, and you just pull that. That's it. The filter will come out. And in the same way, you pull this one. And while keeping also, it's very easy. You can watch these grills now. You see there is a path. You keep that one and I will show when I will keep again later, na? So I will show clearly. You see how much dust it is there on this coil. So we need to clean all this. What those person will do, just they will clean this one, that's it. Nothing will be doing. Some ACs they will clean outdoor unit also, but mostly I think we can't do that one, but we can do this one. It is more than enough. So for every 15 days and 1 week you can clean this, where it is very, because the dust will be gathering here, wherever the dust which is coming outside or from inside, all the dust particles will form like this. So you better clean for every 1 week to 10 days. So let's go and wash this one in running water. So you wash carefully because it's very sensitive. So better you take a small brush and you wash this. So let's go and wash this, and I will come back to you later. And we will wash this one also. We will wash this one also, and I will show clearly how to do that. కడిగేసి సో ప్లీజ్ అందరు దయచేసి కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా కడగండి, అది సెన్సిటివ్ పార్ట్. ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ ప్రాసెస్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. You can do it by yourself at your home. You see that all the dust particles are coming down. You keep small pressure, తక్కువ ప్రెషర్లో మీరు కడగాలి అది. enough, all that. You keep like this. You keep like this, so all the water will come down. Same way you do other thing also. This filter is completely jammed, so that you will not get pure air, and it is a danger also, because this will cause an allergy to you. Friends, as I said, I took a mug and some water in this, and you just do like this. You just do like this. Just rub like this, no problem. You see all the dust is coming. That's it. Nothing will be happen. Just take this brush and do like this. You will say that don't do by yourself, but you can do, no problem. But you don't pour water on that. Just mostly you can rub like this. You see it is becoming cleaner and cleaner. You repeat one more time. Maximum you try to clean. Actually, I took some shampoo also. In the water, so it will get some pleasant fragrance also. So you see, it's very easy, friends. If this is big brush, you take small brush. I have small brush also. You take this small brush and do like this. Where if this big brush is not going, you can use this small brush. But do it carefully. Don't apply more pressure on this, because it's very sensitive. It's very easy, completed almost. One side we have completed. This is somewhat, here we have, just pull like this and clean. Take a clean cloth and you do upside also. Do like this. Mostly, actually the air will pass through here from upside and it will go. Sorry for the camera angle, actually no one is there to help me, so here it's very height place na, so be careful friends while doing this. You keep a proper support. మీరు కొంచెం మంచి సపోర్ట్ తీసుకొని చేయాలి. So let us do other side also. We will do this side also. Actually I kept one what you say that one stick. I kept one stick for support because the door is falling down. I will do like this. I will use big one here. I will use big one. You do only this like this. Only this direction, this direction, this direction. Because if you do like this, then it will get damaged. The wires will get, the plates will get damaged. So better to do like this only. Maximum you do like this. Maximum completed friends, almost we have completed. We are doing here, and later we will clean with a clean cloth the entire thing. So you can do within 10 minutes friends. Actually I am doing slowly to understand. You can understand easily, that's why. I will take this small brush and I will clean upside. Mostly it is not possible to clean upside, but I will try. You clean for every 10 to 15 days. It will be better because the air is very pure air if you will get. That's it friends, almost we have done. So let's clean with a clean cloth and we will replace that filters. I will show how we will replace that filter. So keep watching, I will come back. We will clean this part also upside, so stay tuned. So I will clean this entire thing. I will clean this part also upside. It's very easy process friends. You later clean easily with clean cloth. You should use clean cloth. I will clean everything. Try to clean as much clean as possible. You see how neat it is now. It is very neat, friends. Now it's very neat, friends. You see. So we will keep the filters back and we'll close the door and we'll start the AC. So friends, now I took this cleaned filter and now I am replacing in its position. As I said, it is very easy. You keep in this and you push like this and it will automatically lock like this. That's it. You push like this and push like this. That's it. And in the same way you can do this side also. You just take this and keep in this, and you can keep any filter any side, no problem. It's very easy. You see how neat it is now. Earlier you remember how dirty it is. We will remove this one. So you see automatically the door got closed. It is very neat now. So you clean like this. You see how neat it is now. And we'll close this door. That's it. Just push like this. Any AC you can remove like this only. So this is the procedure, friends. I will come back to you now and we will just switch on the AC. Now we will switch on the AC and see. It will get very smoothly. It will work very smoothly. Just I am on the AC now. It will take some time, friends. As you know, it will, for compression, to start the compressor, it will take some time. Don't worry. We will just try to clean this one also. Just that's it. That's it, friends. It is working very fine. Chala baga work avutundi. So you also try it at your home. So friends, how is the video? I think you like the video. It is very simple process. Because I did very slowly, because you need to understand the process. Otherwise I will complete just within 5 minutes. So you also try at your home and you save 700 rupees and you feel that satisfaction that you did by yourself. So we can do this minor servicing process anywhere. So that's it, friends, for the day. So I will come back with some other interesting video like this that you can do it by yourself with free of cost. So until then I am signing off. You please subscribe to my channel so that I will get encouragement and I will do some other useful videos to you. So Jai Hind. Bye.